we came for the first time to Tropical Smoothie Cafe, and we're right here with my baby having lunch. And look at this view, we can see the whole city from here. It's like, and yeah, we're just waiting on our sandwichos. And Zong got mango magic, sorry if you can't hear me, and I got avocado, my favorite. And yeah, we're gonna have lunch. And what? Okay, they spelled it right. Okay, let's see Zong's. Yum. And he got chips. And then I got a kale salad. Right there. And my quesadilla. With chicken. But I cannot do it with one hand. Wow. Okay, let's eat. We are at Home Depot looking at the plants, and I really want to get a roses. Like, I think those over there are cute too, but I can't find the exact ones that I want here. And those are cute too. These are like actual roses, so we'll see. Look at how beautiful. Look at these. I'm in love with these turtles with the succulents. That black one or this brown one. It's so cute. Okay, now we are looking at the lights to see what we need to put our lights to attach to the roof. So that's what we're doing right now. Trying to find those in this area right here. Looking at all of these. Oh my gosh, they're so pretty. Look at these wreaths. That one's huge. But look at the price. These are the trees here. And then look at this huge Santa Claus. Wow. And then look at that. That's so cute. Santa with the reindeer. Oh, cheers. That's so cute. Oh my gosh. Here we have the Grinch. Let's see what he does. Okay, let's see this one. It says, try me.
Wonderful. A celebration of this season will be. And much fun together we will.
We're at Tybee. Our first time here. Look at all the water.
This is just the river.
Yeah, it's a river.
You can see it how it goes over.
I said beach, it's river. But like we're heading that way. Well, not right now, I'm just saying like we're just exploring. But look guys, it's so cute. Just wanted to show you guys the bridge we just passed. And we're finishing our smoothies. So yum. I recommend you guys, if you guys have a tropical smoothie, try the avocado. It's the best. So, cheers. Okay, we just got here. The Ace Hardware. So cute. Oh. think they just got home from Lowe's and Home Depot. Just Lowe's?
Yeah.
Oh. How was it?
It was alright. Not too sure.
No. Where'd you go, baby? We waited for you. You had a good time with Daddy. We're jealous, buddy. We're jealous. Wow. Good morning. It's the next day. And I already made the bed. We already did a whole morning routine. I gotta do dishes, so ignore that. Say hi. Hello, good morning. Why is it blurry? Okay, there we go. So I just got done cooking. It's 11:45, so perfect timing. I made some majadito de pollo. It's a Bolivian dish, so it's basically just chicken and rice. Super yummy. I already tried it a little bit. And right now I am in the middle of, sorry if my TV is loud. I am just filling up all the ones that are kind of empty. I just have like basically salt, garlic, and Italian seasoning, and then this Goya achiote that I have to do, and then I need to go and get some more chicken bouillon. So I have like the chicken seasoning. I'm totally out. So I'm gonna do that, and I'm just waiting for Zhang now to get home so we can have lunch. But first I'm gonna do this, and I'm gonna do dishes, and I should be done for the day. Okay, it's all done. I just need chicken bouillon ASAP because I think we're gonna go to the store today. So I'm gonna get those and maybe some more, what else? Caesar filled chicken bouillon, maybe a little bit more onion powder, and maybe one more salt because I'm already like this much of salt. So I might need, this is the salt we use. And yeah. So, and Zoe's still here. Right, Mama? You still watching me? Okay, we are sitting out here and I just watered my plants. They are so happy. This one has a new growth. Look at this. Beautiful. And this one has so many babies, as you can see. And then this one, a new baby's coming out. I'm just so happy they are thriving. There's a hair in this one. Oh gosh, okay. And then these are for the bugs, little bugs. And yeah, so put them out in the sun. It's finally a sunny day out. Pups are out here. As soon as they saw me coming out here, they're like, I want to go outside. So I put them out here. Of course, Oreo's gonna roll the whole time he's out here. I just got done having lunch and I did all the dishes. And do you guys remember this beautiful vase I got from Ross? I have not displayed it, but right now I just used it to water my plants. So that was a cute little moment, and now I have to go up there and get that yellow leaf that's bothering me. And I also gotta water her. Oh, Daddy's home. And they go crazy. They were just laying here sleeping. Hi, buddy. Who's home? Who's home? Who's home? So Zong is putting up the lights outside. Let me show you guys. Ooh, look at that. All over the house. You almost done, honey? You need help? Okay, I'm gonna help him out. It's a little chilly out here, but it's okay. Hey guys, welcome back. It's the next day. I know I'm such a bad vlogger, you can say. I'm in the middle of getting ready because I did not tell you guys, but I may have good news. I actually have been applying for jobs and I am getting ready for one of my interviews today. Well, it's not an interview, they already hired me. It's like a training class, so I'm excited and I'm just heating up my hair straightener, and that's why my hair is so curly. Look how curly my hair looks with the blonde. Crazy, but cute. And this lighting is just everything. It's blinding me, low-key. But yeah, I applied, and well, today's Thursday, so happy Thursday. Tomorrow's Friday, and I actually have 3 job interviews, which is insane. I'm gonna be busy all day. I have one at 11, I have one at 1, and at 3. Just wanted to update you guys. I am currently about to straighten my hair and go to that. It's at 1. It's now like 11, so I have like 2 hours to just already have my clothes ready, what I'm gonna wear, something just comfy, dressed up pants with like this zip up, and my Vans. So that's what I'm gonna wear today. And yeah, I'm just gonna, this is my makeup for today's job. Little sesh. Well, I think the lighting was better right here. But yeah, that's what's going on. Just wanted to update you guys. Lots of fun updates, like life updates, and it's been just home, house, everything. So I'm like, okay, we need some life update. So I've been keeping it a secret, but yeah, I've been applying, and now I have all these interviews. I'm like going insane, but it's worth it. I cannot wait to see which one I'm gonna land on, so I can have like that extra little money on the side for to whatever extra things. So I'm gonna get ready, and I'll see you guys when I'm heading over there, and then when I'm out to let you guys know how it all went. Fingers crossed. Pray for me, guys, that everything goes well. Okay, we just got done. We're about to pay. Got the goods. Zong is like, what are you doing? I'm like, vlogging, babe. What else? So we ordered originally the chips, not the butter croissants. And we just punished the butter croissants. But okay, we just got home. We're gonna turn on the lights. Ooh. There it is. Cute. Okay, we have to walk the pups and feed them because it's like past their time to have dinner. Say good morning. Good morning. It is Friday, the next day, and we're about to go on a walk and then have breakfast. I'm gonna make me a coffee, and I'll see you guys when we get back from our little walk. Okay, I am in the middle of trying to start some laundry. So all the bed sheets, blankets, pillow covers, so, and then I still sneak peek, I have to fold all of that. Pups just got done eating. Oreo is mean mugging me, of course. And I am making my coffee. I'm still drinking this. I am obsessed with it. This is like my third, fourth, like, what do you call this, containers, whatever, and I've been loving it, and I'm just obsessed with these. We got these yesterday. These are like little Nature's Bakery brownie. It's like double chocolate, plant-based, no high on like fructose corn syrup, fructose, whatever, however you say that, non-GMO. And let me tell you, it tastes just like a real brownie. Like, I'm obsessed. Literally our first visitors, so we're excited. Also nervous because they've never seen the house. Like, nobody has seen the house in person. So these are our first visitors. We have the guest bedroom all set up, all ready to go. So we're excited about that too. And I wanted to show you guys a guest bedroom reveal. It's not that crazy, but it's something, and it feels cozy in there. I just added some blankets so it can feel more cozy, and I hope our guests love it and they sleep good. So I'm gonna make my coffee and then just relax, and then in a little bit I'll show you guys the guest bedroom. And it's a deep cleaning day, so that's what I'm gonna be doing all day. I got some dishes to do, laundry, like I said, I got a mop, and that's pretty much, oh, and trash. So that's pretty much all I have to do, but I have to get it done today. I have all day, but I want to get it done before you know, it gets to nighttime, because that's what time they're gonna come. So we're excited, and then this weekend is gonna be fun. Thankfully my period is going away slowly. It's still there, but she's leaving hopefully in like a day or two, so we can't wait for that. And yeah, so I'm just gonna relax, have my coffee. I don't want any breakfast today. I'm just gonna like cook later on. I haven't even cooked. This is the first time. I was so tired from all yesterday. It was a lot for me, I think. A lot of information from my job. By the way, it went well a little bit. You know, I love rambling, so I can talk forever. So I'll see you guys here in a little bit. Have you guys seen anything cuter? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You're showing the one teeth. You're showing the one teeth. You're so cute. Look at his little shirt he has on. So cute. Oh, super Oreo. Super Oreo. Okay, guys, so I am doing laundry. I just gotta fold these. This is one load. Actually, these are two loads that we did yesterday. I have to fold, put away. As you can see, the bed is empty. I'm washing all our blankets, everything that was on top, literally, and all of our pillow covers. So, and I moved that right there. It looks cuter. I feel like it gives it more texture. I don't know, it looks really good, like when you go like ooh ooh ooh, it looks good. So, and then let me show you guys now the big reveal. I know I haven't showed you guys in the guest bedroom, so you ready? 1, 2. Okay, let's turn on the lights. So right here, I'm gonna give you guys overview. So what we have here, the closet, it is empty for our guests. All we have is this box we might put upstairs, we don't know yet. And then we have this basket full of blankets and extra pillows, and then this is the bed that I got, and I kind of did it like manly vibes, so just like white, gray, green. That's like the vibe that we're going for right here. These are the side tables, so like if we have more than 2 people staying over, then we have an extra, and then we also have a queen blow-up bed, so that's a plus. And then this literally fits like one full human. Just made it like a extra little area for people to sleep on. And then we put up our clock right there. It's black, so it goes with the vibe: black, gray, green, white, you know, all that. And then right here we just have this little wall art that Zong gave me for my birthday, like literally like, I don't know, 6 years ago. And there's my little Superman, and Zoe's on top of this. They're literally not allowed to be here because I don't want when people, oh my gosh, she laid down. When, you know, guests come in, I don't want them to be like smelling and like, oh, why does it smell like dog in here? So let's go out. Come on, guys. You guys know the drill. Come on. You guys know the rules of the house. Come on. You can't be in here. Okay, we're going to leave. Okay. They know. Like, they cleaned all their toys. And oh my god, look at that. I can't handle it. You're too cute, buddy. Oh my gosh, you are distracting me. Okay, and there's Zoe. Oh my god, being cutie, being so good. Okay, guys, see?
Make holiday gatherings more delicious at Whole Foods Market. Whether you're the host or the guest who aims to impress,
Just got home. He's taking a shower. I just want to show you guys. Everything is nice and clean. There's nothing better than fresh sheets to sleep on tonight. Oh my gosh, the best feeling ever. Who can relate? Kitchen is all nice and clean. We are currently just making us some sandwiches for dinner because I am not cooking after deep cleaning the house. Who else can relate to that also? Because yeah, I have some dishes going in the dishwasher because I was like, okay, I cannot have anything out here. Everything looks so nice and clean. Cleaned the dining table, cleaned this area, living room, my office, the bathroom. Everything is clean too. Zong is currently showering, but everything is nice and clean. And yeah, so we are just going to have a sandwich, and then oh yeah, and then we stocked up on our fridge last night, so it looks, look at that. There is just no better feeling than a clean home, stocked up fridge. And yeah, so excited for this weekend. We're just waiting now. We just got to the came to the Nike store. It's packed, literally. We're gonna go get a smoothie now. We're getting thirsty. Where are we? What's new? Fall place. Oh, it's slippery. Okay, now we are at Liquorland. We're trying to see, well, they're getting liquor, obviously, and I'm over here trying to find a wine that I like because they don't have the one that I usually get here in Georgia. So I'm trying to see, well, I'm right now in the white wines, but I'm trying to get this brand because they recommended a girl I follow. So I don't know, I might have to ask around and see which one is smooth and sweet, not too sweet because I don't like too sweet. So we shall see what I find. So we made it to the Riverwalk. Music, live music, look at the water. That boat right there is literally a restaurant. That's crazy. Here. We made it. Jose, my cousin, and we're gonna go walk and explore. It's our first time here. So they're having the Christmas market. It's a little loud. There's so much live music going on. And everything is so cute. Little shops. And oh my gosh, look at this.